watching Mandarin click by click Chinese pronunciation online. You're watching video number 5 of 18 essential lessons. I'm Jim Steed, and this is our Chinese language model, Yang Yahui.
Hi, 你好.
Today we're looking at these sounds, yi, ji, qi, and shi. These are important sounds. Right? They all have one thing in common. They all have the E sound. When E is spoken by itself in Chinese, it has a Y. Okay? So this is really E. That means one in Chinese. Sounds like, you know the word eBay, the word E in there. So you say E in eBay. When you hear that in Chinese, it's one. If you take a look at the word ji in English, and you heard it in Chinese with a high tone, then you would be saying chicken, ji in Chinese. And if you look at the word catchy, 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 chi, if you gave it a high tone, the sound chi, a high tone in Chinese, you would be saying the word seven. All right? And then look here, we have the word she in English. If you heard the sound she in Chinese and it had a third tone, she, then you would be saying the word wash. Now, let's review something very important. I want to review the pronunciation of the letter I. I don't know if you can see that there very well. After most Chinese sounds, I is pronounced I, or it's not pronounced, it just makes the consonant longer. If you remember, we had si. Si, for example, in Chinese is a word for four. Okay? Or it would just extend maybe this sound, z. And we get z, which would be in Chinese the word for word. Now, after Y, after J, after Qi, and after X, Chinese pronounce it like E. Like E in machine. In English, sometimes we would probably say E, like this. But that's a little bit strong for Chinese. And then after SH, after ZH, and after CH, the I is pronounced er. Okay, so all you need to do is remember that about the letter I in Chinese. Okay, that's enough for that review. What we need to do is do some practice. And we've already practiced some of these sounds in lessons 2, 3, and 4. All right, so Yahui is going to give you some practice distinguishing or saying these sounds. First, we will practice shi and shi. Can you say these for our video audience, please?
Shao, 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 xiao, xiao, xiao.
Let's say them together.
Shao, xiao, shao, xiao, shao, xiao.
Very good. Now let's practice the j sound and the ji sound here. Remember, this is a little open and this is a little closed. So ah, ya, here. So here we're going to practice these two sounds.
Zhang, 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 jiang, jiang, jiang,
Now let's hear them together.
张江，张江，张江。
Very good. Now, I'm sure you're having a little trouble with that, but you will get better in the future. Now let's listen to the difference between the CH sound, ch, and the Q sound, chi. Let's listen to chow and qiao.
超，超，超，敲，敲，敲，
Now let's hear them together.
超敲，超敲，超敲。
Really good. Now what we're going to do is give you a chance to repeat some words. We're going to be practicing the CH and the Q sound. We're going to be repeating them after Yahweh. Good luck.
叉，叉，叉，掐，掐，掐，
Let's practice them together now.
叉掐，叉掐，叉掐。
All right, now let's practice Chan and Che. Okay?
铲，铲，铲，钱，钱，钱，
Now let's practice them together.
铲钱，铲钱，铲钱。
That's very good. You'll notice that the I here brings the ah sound and makes it an ah sound almost. All right, and this one remains ah. Let's practice these two.
长，长，长，强，强，强，
Together.
长强，长强，长强。
And now these two words.
吵，吵，吵，巧，巧，巧，
And now together.
吵巧，吵巧，吵巧。
That's very good.